Welcome! Today, I'll show you how to disable streamer mode on Discord Web using your PC following the latest update. If you're tired of Discord hiding your personal info while you're not streaming, or you just want to get your notifications back, this guide is for you. Let's get started by opening Discord from your browser. Head over to discord.com and log into your account as usual. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon next to your username. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Inside the user settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it to open up the Streamer Mode settings. Now you're in the Streamer Mode menu. Here, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Enable Streamer Mode. If this switch is turned on, Streamer Mode is active, and Discord will continue to hide your sensitive information. To disable Streamer Mode, simply click the toggle so it turns off. You'll notice the Streamer Mode banner disappears, and your notifications and personal info will return to normal. But there's one more important step to make sure Streamer Mode doesn't turn itself back on automatically. Still in the Streamer Mode menu, look for the option that says Automatically Enable Disable. Make sure this option is unchecked. This prevents Discord from re-enabling Streamer Mode when it detects streaming software or other triggers in the future. And that's it! You've successfully disabled Streamer Mode on Discord Web, and you've also made sure it won't come back on its own. Now you can use Discord just the way you like, without any interruptions or hidden information. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for all your Discord needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.